Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about spiritual practices. Nowadays there are a lot of them, and all of them are good. Good in some kind of way. All of them can help you solve some kind of problem. And you just need only to choose one you need and it will solve problem you have. If you are looking for them, it means that you need something. And once you find them, once you practice them, you are solving some kind of problems in your life. And there are a lot of things for us to know how life works, how universe works, how nature works. And there are a lot of job to do in our life. So when we are practicing some kind of practice, we are growing, we are, giving more intelligence to us, we are more in control of our life, we are more able to help for others, we are more happy, we are more spiritual, and all spiritual practices are good. But what I have noticed is that some people think that their practices is the best one and wants to eliminate all another practices, and this is not good thing. Even if you think that your practice is the best one, it's not good thing, no? Why? Because all practices has own specific and it works for different people. And there are a lot of teachers, like an example yoga teachers, which thinks that practice itself is the way to God, no? And I like example that you imagine God as father in normal family. Like an example, he has wife, children, and what do you think father wants from his children, no? Do you think that it wants for them to practice yoga, meditation or something? He doesn't care about that, no? He only wants that his children would be good human being. And all these practices only to achieve this. And when people think that practice itself is only one way to go in the world, in the life, and practice itself gives us, spirituality and everything what God wants from us, I think it's not truth, not the thing you should do in your life. Practice is only to bring you to be better human being, to bring you more spirituality in you. You can be really, compassionate about life and doing just simple things to serve others. And I think this is the best practice. Because if you are kindly doing something good for others, this is the thing which I think God requires most from us, which God wants us to do. Because if God created everything, and of course He did, He wants that everything will be in harmony, in happiness. And when we are serving for the smallest of God creation, we are serving Him. And if we are just doing our practice at home, why should God care, this practice? Of course, if He sees that progress in us, that we are becoming better human being and coming to real life and doing something good for others, that's good. But practice itself, it's not doing something good, no? It's just for you to grow. And everyone should remember that practice is only preparing yourself. And sooner or later there will be a moment which you will need to go and help for others. This is the essence of the life. So I think that you understand what I'm talking about, and this is only my thoughts. It's not the truth, which is only one true, and so on. So thank you and goodbye.